Alright, so I got this notification, software update available. When I went to the app, here you can see, install 2022.20.15 now. It'll take about 15 or 25 minutes. So you can see during the update process, you will not be able to drive or use the touchscreen, and your car alarm may be disarmed for a short duration. Alright, so yep, so we'll start it now. It's going to take 25 minutes. Here you can see it gives you some time to cancel the update. Alright, obviously I don't want to cancel it, so we'll wait the 2 minutes, and yeah, we'll be back. Alright, so you can see it's about to start. Okay, so you can see software update scheduled and installing. I should actually go plug in my car. I guess I'll do that later. Anyways, you can see it's installing, shows 10%. So it's just going to keep going for a while, and the percentage is going to go up. Once it reaches 100%, then I will show you guys what is going on. Alright, so I'll see you then. Alright, so the update completed, and so far it looks like everything is just the same. Look, 2022.20.15, same stuff here about the suspension stuff being restarted. Same FSD beta release notes. Okay, you can watch my previous video because it shows all of this already. I don't see anything different. Full self-driving beta, cabin camera. Yeah, so there's nothing new there. Can I move? I saw in some updates you can move this, but no, it doesn't let me. Bring it back. Nope. Go away. I can't move this. What did they add in this new update? I don't know. Did they add anything in here? Looks all the same. If anyone knows if they added anything, let me know. So far, everything looks the same. Apply brakes when regenerative braking. Oh, if regenerative braking is limited, you can have it apply the brakes automatically, so it basically keeps the same type of regenerative braking feel. But yeah. So maximize this range. Oh, because it's on hold. Okay. Charging stuff looks all the same. Autopilot stuff looks the same. I don't see anything new on here. The lock stuff looks the same. Walkway door unlock. Unlock on park. No. Everything looks the same. I don't see anything new. Nothing new. So it's all, I guess, under the hood fixes. Maybe some stuff wasn't working 100%, and they just changed that. Because everything here looks to be about the same. You can see I have 11,761 miles on the car already. I got the car in mid-March, so I drove a lot. Okay, avoid ferries, avoid tolls. Yeah, everything looks about the same. I don't see anything new. If anybody knows about anything else that's new to this, feel free to let me know. I don't see anything. Oh, let me turn this off. Stop blinking. Okay, I don't see anything new here. They have the software 2022.20.15 release notes. Yeah, it doesn't show anything here. This is all the same stuff. So I guess they just patched up some software. I was hoping I could move the signal camera thing. I don't know if I'm missing something. I forgot where's that setting for that. There's supposed to be a setting that says on turn signal to use the thing. Where does it show? Is it in safety? No. Where's the cameras on turn signal kind of thing? on here. Not on there. Lights. Auto high beam. Okay. It won't be in the locks. It shouldn't be. What is this? What happened to that option? It shouldn't be on autopilot. Nope. Where is it? Pedal and steering? I don't see it. They used to have an option that if you turn your turn signals on, you can make the camera thing not show up. I guess maybe they got rid of the setting. What's this clock? Another update? Another software update? Isn't it already installed? 2022.20.15. It's already on here, isn't it? I'm confused now. Okay, let's see what's going on. Release notes, 2022.20.15. It's already on my car. Let's see what happens if I tell it to do it again. So we're going to let this go again, and we'll see what happens. I'm going to turn the car around real quick. Alright, so it's going to start again, which I don't understand how it's doing another update, but okay. We'll let this run, and we'll see what happens. Alright, so here you can see the update is going. The car does make weird noises. Oh, actually that might be the AC outside, but I hear like random clinks and clunk. Oh, there you go. I don't know if you heard that. Clunk. That. So it makes noises like that. And it was making like a or whatever sound. So yeah, if you're updating your car, don't worry, that's normal. It makes all these sounds. Alright. Gonna let it keep going, and we'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so the car restarted itself. You can see it's booting back up. We're gonna see it did sit at that loading bar for quite a while. I don't know if there's gonna be actually any new stuff because it already showed it was on the correct version, so I don't know why it was having it update again. But I guess we'll find out. Alright, it's taking a while to boot. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys once it's booted. Right as soon as I stopped recording, the screen just went black like this, and I guess it's starting up again. Okay, we'll see what happens. I don't know how long it's gonna take. I'll pause again and see you guys once it's started up. Okay, the screen just went dimmer, and I guess it's doing some more stuff. Oh, and there we go. Okay, it's not, nope, I don't want copyright, whatever. Okay, so it's not showing the clock here anymore, so I guess the update finally, or actually went through this time, though it already was, okay, it's just showing the same stuff. Nothing different, nothing different. Can I do the thingy this time? Can I move this at all? No? Is there a dead pixel on my camera? What is that? Look. There's a dead pixel on my camera. That's from the camera. Is there like dust or something on that? Let's see if I do the other side. This side doesn't have that. Or is that, there's a light reflection over there? Kind of curious now because that is definitely like there. What about this side? If I open and close this door, can I? Well, I can't open and close it that far. Okay, give me a second. I'm gonna see if there's something on the camera lens. Shouldn't be. I don't think it would light up like that, right? Let's see here. Let's turn the flash on. And let's move this a little and see if there's any change. Yeah, that speck is still there, so it's like a dead pixel on my camera. Look at that. See, it's not a reflection. I mean, I don't think they'll warranty that, but let's see if I move. Give me a second. If I move the car... Okay, if I move the car with the signal on, is that dot? Oops, close. Okay, is that... Oh, I can't. I forgot. I'm charging the car, so I can't. Alright, anyways, I'll figure that out later. It looks like all this stuff is the same. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.